Transfer of asset rules. I'm sure everybody is familiar with this who's listening. And many of you are saying, yeah, it's a 3-year look back, right? Well, it was up until 2006. Now it is a 5-year look back. So for many years, it's been 5 years. Basically, the 5-year look back rule says is that whatever you do 5 years in advance of applying for Medicaid doesn't care about. It's beyond the time horizon that concerns Medicaid. So if you know, for example, that you have a diagnosis of Alzheimer's and you want to make sure that the family legacy property, the family farm, whatever it may be, isn't interfering with your eligibility for Medicaid benefits or won't be subject to a state recovery, you can transfer it out of your name. Just do it 5 years before you need care. That works. And there are many occasions when we have helped our clients with what we call 5-year look-back transfers. They can be outright, they can be to an LLC, they can be to a trust. The transfer, the mechanism for receiving the asset is dependent upon your situation. But the rule to keep in mind is whatever you do 5 years before applying for Medicaid, that's fine. Just make sure you get good legal advice as to the consequences of what that transfer is, tax consequences, etc. Okay, so let's say that you didn't realize that you needed to make this transfer of assets, and so you don't have 5 years. You're needing care sooner, or your family member is. If you give away assets, Medicaid has pretty severe consequences for doing that unless you do it as part of a strategy. So the rule is, as of today, that if you gave away or you give away $11,076, that there's going to be a 1-month penalty period. It's also called a period of ineligibility. What that means is Medicaid's not going to provide any benefits for 1 month for every $11,000 you give away. Thus, if you gave away $150,000, then that's a 13.5-month penalty period. The kicker with this, the really important thing to realize, is you just can't give away your money and the penalty period starts to roll. It's how it used to be. Not now. The penalty period for that gift doesn't start to run until you are otherwise eligible. That means, for example, if you're a single person, you have less than $2,000 in countable assets. You apply for Medicaid. You need care. Your income qualifies. And the really important thing for a single person is that money you gave away cannot be used to cover your care during this 15-month period of 13-month period of ineligibility. I'm assuming you gave away $150,000. So it's difficult to start the penalty period running, especially for a single person, without other really good strategies in place. So there must be another source of money to pay for your care during the period of ineligibility.